Donia.
Hi,
I
Ralph.
live in hi. I live in Vancouver, Canada, and I'm kind of looking at getting in touch with any local commercial broker or a realtor. Can you recommend me one?
John's pointing to himself. You're up in Vancouver, Canada, John?
I am not. No, no, I'm not local in Vancouver. I'm local in Los Angeles.
So, I don't I can't really think of it off the top of my head, but you're looking for a commercial broker or a business broker,
A
Ralph?
business broker, sorry.
No.
I can tell you what I typically do when I need to find a business broker out of state is I will go to IBBA.org
Yes.
and I'll search the directory there for the state that I want or Canada. I mean, there's a lot of Canadian members of IBBA, so that's usually what I do. Because I do know several Canadian brokers, but I don't know what part of Canada they're in because I'm not familiar with Canada's geography.
Okay.
And I think they're closer to like Ottawa and things, which I think they're East Coast. And is Vancouver West Coast?
Yep.
Vancouver is just an hour and a half from Seattle north.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Yeah.
On the West
Okay.
Coast.
Yeah, and I think most of the Canadian brokers that I know are East Coast time zone, so probably not. But yeah, that would be what I would recommend.